Alright, let's start with the weekly play. Another Grand Moff Tarkin, another Leia, and a Sabine Wren. Nice. I'll take the Sabine. I already had the other two. Thrawn. IG-88. Dagobah Swamp. Alliance Dispatcher. It's a good card. Snow Speeder Resilience. Cool. Death Star. Academy Training. Outer Rim. Gamorrean Guards. TIE Fighter. Another Syndicate Lackey Devotion. Nice. I'll take that. Bamboozle. Also take that. Oh, cool. A Hyperspace Bright Hope. Saw Gerrera and a Disabling Fang Fighter. A bunch of those. Leia. Got Boba Fett. Capital City. Alliance X-Wing. Pair. Wampa. Super Laser Tech. City, Spec Force, Fallen Surgeon, Catholic Spades, Surprise Strike, and Rallying Cry. Nice, that's good. I'll take that. Rogue Sacrifice is my rare. And a Foil Crafty Smuggler. Great. Rare. Got a hyperspace foil there. Back into this pack. Let's see what we get. A lot of repeats, nice. I don't have one of these. Wing Leader, cool. Jabba the Hutt, don't have it. And a hyperspace foil Bright Hope. Alright, we got one more for good measure. Thrawn Leader, Administrator Tower, Alliance X-Wing. I'm having deja vu. This pack looks a lot like one I just opened. What the heck? That was not great.